Bhaiyo or Behno, today we will see our how we can print this today array element. Okay, you can say nested array. Actual, if you tell this technical name it will be 2D array. So for that we have to take this array. So let's take array equal this and sorry we have to take a for loop for let 0 uh, less than arr. Okay, so after that I will increment. So I want to log. So I want to log I. So it will actually go give you 1 2 3 4 0, maybe 0 1 2 3. Okay, 0 1 2 3. If I want to print this I array of I, so I have to give array of I. So you can see the pair whatever inside the array, like it will print. Okay, we need this kind of, before that we need like 1 2 3 4, not we need this, we don't need this comma. So before that we want to access, so we have to take another inner loop. So it will start from, actually it will be zero, like j inner loop. So j, it will be j plus plus. Okay, so it's our not array dot length, so it's came here already, arr dot length. This is the first position. So after that it will goes here, like it will come here, like if I want to hit here and like I want to print error I of j. So what happening, let's see. So see, it will actually length goes to length 4, 1 2 3 4. It is actually printing 2 because one actually 0 and 1. It is not getting uh, like 3, uh, 2 and 3. This is 2 and this is 3. So it is the length of array actually 4. Okay, so we have to give error of I. So it will count the this length only. So if I hit again, so you can see the actual output. So it's okay. So we want to do these things. So we have to take another variable. Okay, we're taking t is a variable, t equal empty string. So okay, you can also initialize maybe whatever you want. I will initialize with empty string. So if I print here, it will print, actually if you see it will be like a pyramid, like sorry, not pyramid, sorry again same things, but it will add. I want to print this, it will actually add on this t. ARR will be add, ARR I of j will add into t. So t plus, yeah, it will be now like a pyramid. Again not, sorry. So uh it will be actually, I'm just kidding, it will be equal. Okay, so it's our pyramid. So by your bhano, so we need these things. So what we can do, we can do easily remove these things, and we can write these things outside of this. So we have to log this t. Okay, so you can see if we want to divide these things, like if you want to convert to these things, so we have to add one thing, that is comma. So it is the one plus, okay, plus, and it is the comma. So if I hit here, you can see same things. If you want to do one thing, that is string literal, okay, so I don't know will it happen or not. I am trying. So I'm trying. I think it will not. Yeah, it is not. So yeah, it's our best method. What actually it is happening, how it is happening, I'll show you. Okay, so I'll copy it. Okay, before that, okay, nothing. So I'll paste it here. So before that, I will put some breakpoint. Yeah, I will start this debugging tool. So I will hit. Okay, it is already started. You can see if I do something like that. So you can see I am like increase this font. So you can see array. Okay, I am hitting here. So array, you can see. Okay, inside array, you can see index 0 1 2 3. Okay, so if I hit here, so it is actually it goes here, means it's come here, I equal undefined. Okay, so if I click here, it's array on 0. Okay, so arr, this is arr, length is 4. Okay, if I click here, it is measure the length and it will store. You can see error, this is length 4. So if you hover here, it will not see, it will also not see, it will only see the array. So now it is a 0. Okay, array length 4. So it's actually uh, came inside. So after that, it will goes to the next step. So it is again checking j is 0, and it is checking, kya ye, is it less than error I dot length. Yeah, it is. So go to the next line, it came. So by your Veno, so it actually came here. So next step, see, after that you can see, okay, you can see it is added, however one is added. Okay, so if I hit here, you can see again sorry, came here, it is again truth, it came here again, it is going. Yeah, it is, you can see increased. Okay, if I hit here, it will not come here, it will, if it is wrong, it will goes to upside. Okay, so yeah, it will check, only check j is 2. It actually not increased. Actually j2 means increased, means 0 1 it will consider, not 2. 2 means actually 3. Here 1 0 and 1, not 2. Okay, so you can also see the actual index. Okay, so not index, sorry, it is actually showing the value. So after that, it came here and it will increase. I is 0, it will increase to 1. So it increase, you can see I is 1. So if I hit here, so yeah, it is true, again it came here. So if I hit here again, same thing will happen. Yeah, it will add also these three to here. Okay, you can see two two element here. If I hit here, it already added. You can hover and see. Yeah, this kind of things it will continue till 8. So I am fast forwarding this. Okay, after that, yeah, this things is wrong, so it came here. You can see t is also increased here. So it's a variable. So if I also hit here, so it will print. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, by your Rhino, please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching.